Again, the demand and supply game straight. Definitely demand is there, but do we have supplies? I would say no. While Japura was showcasing all the formats and all, I think I will rate them in India prospect 8 in terms of whether Indian printers are able to do these kind of innovations in print. I would rate it 8. I have one sample with me, Indian printers, most of them Indian printers, they will say, no, we'll not be able to do it. This is die cutting, wheels, dive, cutting, this. The demand is there for these kind of products in the market. What is happening? What the Indian publishers would be doing? They must be importing it from UK or US or any other part of the world. It's again the demand supply. The demand is there. There is low supply, and the cost goes up. There are limited vendors doing this. Apurva said that we can make this title available at say $4.99, $5.99, $6.99. I think this is because his reason he wants more people in India should read, or I would say more children should read books in India. Hence, he's saying this kind of cost. Otherwise, you ask any of the India print, the cost of the product will come at $4.99. Forget about the MRP of the book. Getting my point? So, something is missing somewhere. I think the vision is missing from the print. I don't know, because if some printers are expert in one color, they've been doing single color for ages, and they're fine with it. They're making margins there. They don't want to innovate first because there's a cost involved, and they will have to think whether we'll be able to, what will be the ROI if we do a capex for this kind of innovation. They will say, oh, no, sorry, I'm fine with my existing business. In India, you will not find anyone. You will have to either go to China and do this kind of, an Indian publisher will not be able to match the kind of returns they need to make sure that they meet your expectation of the cost. If we see the trend of the age group from 0 to 8 is increasing. If you say, we have been listening that India is young India, 50% of population is beyond 25. But out of this 50%, which is 0 to 25, almost 35% is 0 to 8. Are we focusing there? I will say both publishers and printers, because publishers, they know the children market is going, and definitely there is a demand of books, but printers, are they? I would say no.